Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few of the Moondust eyeshadows. I only have 3 here, but these are the 3 best shades in my opinion, in my totally unbiased opinion. So I have Lithium, Powder Trip, and Specter. So this is what the packaging looks like. Let me read a little bit about these eyeshadows real quick before we swatch them, just so that you have an idea of what the product actually is. So it says sparkly shadow that gives an ultra sophisticated with intense hues, microfine sparkle, and lush 3D metallics. The glitter in this is ultra fine, so you're not going to find any chunky glitter in here. Feels like a cream, but it goes on like a powder to create a smooth, brilliantly reflective look. And it says microfine bits of iridescent sparkle collide with intense dreamy hues and lush 3D metallics for an effect that's out of this world. Okay, let's see here. So the first shade that I have is Specter, like I told you guys. So this looks like a really pretty, like, iridescent pink. So it's definitely iridescent and the sparkles are a pink shade. Definitely is more of like a sheen. When I was thinking of what eye look I was gonna do, I was planning on having this in like the inner corners and then doing the more golden shade on my eyelid and then finishing it off with Lithium on the end and then into my crease. But now that I'm swatching these, I might be changing my mind to let me see how the other two look. So this is Powder Trip. I love this shade of gold. This is my all-time favorite shade of gold. It's like that really pretty, like coppery gold. All right, next is Lithium. This is such an interesting color. It's just such a beautiful silver, but it has like a goldish, what is it? It's like, not silver. It's like a brown, but has like silver sparkles, but like a green color shift. It's really, really interesting. Okay, so I am going to take that color Powder Trip. That's the really pretty bronze, goldeny bronze. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid. And I'm using my finger first just to see how it looks using your finger. I love using my finger. I think especially with pressed pigments, it just goes such a long way and you use less product and it just looks more pigmented. Ooh, this shade. Now I'm just going in with a brush to get the areas that I couldn't get because of my nails. There is a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of fallout, which I don't care at all. Let me see if it completely wipes away. Yep, I love this shade. This is definitely my all-time favorite shade in general, like I said, but especially for the summer. Oh my god, can't wait to wear this. I guess it's already summer. Oh, this quarantine has me all messed up. Now, I want to see how that Specter color looks on like the inner corner here. As like a highlight, since it's more of like an iridescent, I want to see how that shows up. So that was the light pink that we went over. Ooh. I definitely love this color for the inner corner. This is so nice. And I'll probably do this underneath my brow too to make it pop. What do you think? Ooh. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't sure how I felt about this color when I first opened it, because I was like, how often am I gonna wear like an iridescent pink? But this is actually really versatile because you can also wear it as a highlight. I just think this is awesome. This is awesome. Whenever I go and edit these later, I'm always just cringing at the things that I say. That looks amazing. It's life-changing. I really do love that though. I just poked myself in the eyeball. All right, now we're gonna go in with Lithium for the crease. And I'm gonna go on the outer corner too, just to darken things up a little bit. This really is just such a cool, unique color. Like I said, it's like a gray-y brown, but like has a greenish blue undertone, like a color shift thing. I don't even know. I don't even know how to describe it. And then I'm gonna go into my crease here. This would just make the perfect shade for a smoky eye. I really need to do an updated smoky eye tutorial. Maybe I'll use this one. Because I feel like if you go in with like a black eyeshadow and use this on top of it, ugh. And I know that they say for the crease you should really use matte shades, which I do agree with for the most part, but I don't have any matte shades to work with, guys, so using what I got. Plus, this doesn't look bad at all. Who came up with that like rule anyway? I know that there are no rules in makeup, but that's like something that is kind of frowned upon. So this was a super quick tutorial, but yeah, I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, finish up my makeup, and I'll be back to give my final review, even though you already know it. Alright guys, this is the rest of my makeup finished. I didn't take out my clips, oops. My hair is like getting really greasy around my bangs, so probably should have just kept those in. It's too late now. But I really like these eyeshadows, guys. I think I'll definitely be using these very often, especially Powder Trip and Lithium. And I think I'm gonna be using all three of these, honestly, because with how good this pink looks as a highlighter, I think I'll be using this on my inner corner and on the top of my brow bone very often. I just think it's so wearable. Now that I just said that, I don't think I did it on the top of this one. When I have to do the other eye off camera, I can never remember like the steps that I did for each eye, but there we go. Ooh, that just made such a huge difference. But yeah, I feel like this would make such a good highlight shade too. You know what? I'm gonna use this on my cheeks real quick. This might be a disaster, but ooh, shit. I like that. I really like pink highlighters. If you guys have been watching my channel for a little bit, that used to be my shit. And then I tuned away from it for a little bit because I've been more into like champagne highlighters. But I do really like the pink just gives it a certain something. I don't know what it is. It's almost more youthful. But yeah, I love all these colors. They do have a ton of shades on here. These are just the 3 that I have. Let me see. So it looks like there's 18 shades altogether, and these are 22 a piece, which it's a little pricey for an eyeshadow, but guys, you already saw the amount of pigment that these give off. I think these are such beautiful shades. I love the iridescent color shifts on there, and it's not a chunky glitter, which I also really like. That way nothing's falling into your eye throughout the day. I don't know if you guys deal with that. That annoys me so much. I love like the chunky pressed glitters, but I just can't deal with it throughout the day. It always winds up getting in my eye, and then it's just like a day ruiner. Like you just want to rip your lashes out because it just feels like something's stabbing your eyeball and you can't get in there. But I would say for an overall shade, if you guys just wanted to get one, I think that I would say Specter, which is that little pink that I was just talking about for like a million hours. I just think this is such a beautiful shade for if you want to do like a no makeup look. This would really wake your eyes up, and just do this on your eyelid or in the corners of any single look, really. I mean, this color would go with everything. And you can use it as a highlighter underneath your brow bone. I just think this is such a universal shade that no matter what your skin color would look like, this would be great for you. So if I had to recommend one, that would be the one. But I hope that you guys like this video. I must have been super quick because I filmed this in like a half an hour, and editing, it'll probably be down to like 10 minutes. But yeah, I love you guys. Make sure to give the video a like if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Oh, I hope that you guys are loving the series, by the way. And if you did miss it, all of the links are going to be down in my description down below for the entire series for Urban Decay. So I reviewed all of the Moondust products and all of the Wired products. At least I think all of them. Yeah. So I filmed like 6 videos in one day. It was insane. But yeah, we're just pumping them out over here. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking, guys. I feel like I just keep bringing things up. But I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.